Ladies and gentlemen, we're currently cruising at altitude 30,000 feet, as per usual, as if every bloody fuck you've been in. If you look out your windows, assuming some prick hasn't closed them, you won't see anything, you fuckers. What were you expecting to see? We're above the clouds, you shitheads. Honestly, each flight is more of a gathering that comes to the mark.
Apologies, ladies and gents. This is your co-pilot speaking. The captain has been removed from active duty and will be calming down in the hold the remainder of our journey. The cabin crew is just bringing you some food now, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of your flight.
Oh, hello, sir. I hope you're having a lovely flight for quite a selection of Italian food today. Are you feeling hungry?
Yes, please, mate.
Right, we've got the chicken casserole, beef lasagna, and the dog shit linguini.
Sorry, what?
Chicken casserole?
No, the other one?
Ah, yes, the beef lasagna, one of the chef's personal pet projects.
No, god damn it, the other one.
Ah, yes, the piece de la resistance. Based on an old family recipe, the chef's updated it for modern times, the dog shit linguini. Some say it's won the chef's 5th Michelin star.
And the dog shit isn't a metaphor?
Freshly picked off the city of Naples.
Okay, so you've got the pasta, right? The linguini.
Yes, sir.
And instead of sauce, what you've done is you've put dog shit.
Yes, sir. Or as the chef likes to call it, merde de chien.
Okay. Does it cost extra?
Only if you add the tripe and sand cheesecake for after, sir.
All right. Okay. One dog shit linguini for me, please.
Certainly, sir.